Look how pretty that hill station is. It's that simple to praise something in English. But how do you do it in Japanese? Let's learn. Welcome to lesson number 4 of Japanese grammar. Today in this video, we are going to talk about adjectives in Japanese. What are different types of Japanese adjectives and how to use them accurately? How to praise something. How to answer if somebody has asked you about your opinion on a certain thing. How to make negative and past tenses using adjectives. So before heading towards adjectives and their usage, make sure to watch the previous lessons to better understand what we are talking about in lesson number 4. Let's get started with lesson number 4. But before that, subscribe to the channel and like the video to learn Japanese in the easiest and cool way. Adjectives can directly enhance or describe a noun or verb. For example, the building is too tall, and today's work is so lengthy. If we talk about adjectives in Japanese, then we come to know that there are 2 types of adjectives in Japanese: I adjective, na adjective. Let's talk about I adjectives first. All I adjectives end in the hiragana character I. For example, delicious,
おいしい、
cheap,
安い、
high.
高い、
If you want to use I adjectives to describe a noun, you can say hot coffee,
熱いコーヒ
good person.
ー、いい人、
You can easily describe a noun by placing the adjective directly in front of the noun. Next, here are some basic tips to help you master Japanese adjective conjugation. Negative. To make the I adjective negative form, drop the I and add kunai to the stem. Not delicious.
おいしくない、
In order to turn the I adjective past tense form, drop the I and add kata to the stem. It was delicious.
おいしかった、
Past negative. To make I adjective negative past tense form, drop I and add kunakata to the stem. It was not delicious.
おいしくなかった、
Na adjectives. Na adjectives end with pretty much anything except for I. For example, quiet,
静か、
lively, healthy.
元気、
If you want to use na adjective to describe nouns, you first need to add na before you can attach the adjective to the noun. Lively, a healthy person.
元気な人、
Next, let's take a look for na adjective conjugation. Present tense. It is very easy. There is the same concept as a noun. You can put des at the end of the sentence. Negative. In order to turn negative form, change des to dewanai. Not quiet. Past positive. To make a past tense form, change des to deshita. Past negative. To make the negative past tense form, change des to dewanakata. Use adjectives in sentences with wa. In lesson number 1, we studied how wa represents a topic in the sentence. Now we will learn how to use adjectives in such sentences. In the first lesson, we learned how to create basic sentences. N1, wa, N2, des. Now we will learn a new structure. Sentence structure, N1, wa, adjective, des. It means N1 is the noun that we are talking about, and N2 is replaced by an adjective. It is used to indicate a topic with quality, and we are talking about the topic. Let's have an example. This building is very old.
建物はとても古いです。建物はとても古いです。
It's hot today.
今日は暑いです。今日は 暑いです。
Pork is cheap.
豚肉は安いです。豚肉は安いです。
Let's have an example of the adjective na. This town is very lovely.
この町はとても賑やかです。この町はとても賑やかです。
The library is quiet.
図書館は静かです。図書館は静かです。
How to give an opinion when somebody asks for it. Moving forward, let's learn how to give your opinion on things you are watching for the first time, and somebody is asking you how you like it or how it is. When you will answer such questions, most probably the answer will have an adjective in it. For example, question, how is this garden?
この庭はどうですか？この庭はどうですか？
You can respond, the garden is very beautiful.
庭はとても美しいです。庭はとても美しいです。
Let's do one more if your friend asks about your job. How is your job?
仕事はどうですか？仕事はどうですか？
I am busy every day.
毎日忙しいです。毎日忙しいです。
You can practice some similar sentences in your notebook. How to question and answer in the past tense using adjectives. Now that you know how to give your opinion in Japanese, let's learn how to question and answer in the past tense using adjectives. For example, if someone is asking, how was your trip to Japan? He will say,
日本の旅行はどうでしたか？日本の旅行はどうでしたか？
You can see that we have used deshita, which is a symbol of past tense as we have learned in lesson number 1. So, if you have missed watching lesson number 1, go and watch now. Now, let's see how to answer the above question. My trip to Japan was great.
日本の旅行は素晴らしかった。日本の旅行は素晴らしかった。
If someone was asking, how was the concert?
コンサートはどうでしたか？コンサートはどうでしたか？
You can say, it was fun.
楽しかったです。楽しかったです。
Remember, the form of the adjective need to change to past tense. How to connect two or more adjectives in a single sentence. Now let's learn about how to connect two or more adjectives in a single sentence in Japanese. If you want to describe a noun and there are two or more adjectives, you can connect them by some changes in a similar sentence. For e adjective, you can change the e sound to kute. Let's have some examples. The room is new and wide.
この部屋は新しくて広いです。この部屋は新しくて広いです。
For na adjective, you can put de by the end of the first sentence and then follow by sentence number 2. I will show you now. This town is quiet and spacious.
この町は静かで広いです。この町は静かで広いです。
How to conjugate adverbs and adjectives. Now let's learn how to use adjectives to describe verbs. For e adjective, you can change the e sound to ku sound. And For na adjective, you can put particle ni. Follow the vocabulary. Let's try to create an example sentence. The train came late.
電車が遅く来ました。電車が遅く来ました。
My sister is quietly sleeping.
妹は静かに寝ています。妹は静かに寝ています。
You just need to remember the rule. In e adjective, change e sound to ku sound. In na adjective, you can put particle ni. Follow the vocabulary. How to connect two sentences in Japanese. In English, we use words like but, also, further, and in, etc. to connect sentences in order to give them a proper meaning. How to do that in Japanese? You can simply use particle ga to connect sentences. Let's take some examples. Learning kanji is difficult but fun.
漢字の勉強は難しいですが楽しいです。漢字の勉強は難しいですが楽しいです。
French alcohol is delicious but expensive.
フランスのお酒は美味しいですが高いです。フランスのお酒は美味しいですが高いです。
Let's take more examples. I like English, but I hate math.
英語は好きですが数学は嫌いです。英語は好きですが数学は嫌いです。
Although my mother is Japanese, I can't speak Japanese.
母は日本人ですが、私は日本語ができません。母は日本人ですが、私は日本語ができません。
How to ask about the state of something. So we are about to conquer the last topic of today's lesson. It's about how to ask about the condition of a person or a thing. What kind of N2 is N1? N1, wadonna? N2, desu ka? Let's try to create an example sentence. What kind of person is Mr. Yamada? He is an interesting person.
山田さんはどんな人ですか？面白い人です。
What kind of sports do you do? I like tennis.
どんなスポーツをしますか？テニスが好きです。
Congrats on completing your 4th lesson, and I am glad that you have come this far in learning Japanese. We will be on a more advanced ride from the 5th lesson, so you have to make sure to watch all the previous lessons before moving forward. With this, I think I should be off till the next lesson. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Press the bell icon so you never miss any of the latest video lectures. Share this free course with your friends and family, as it hardly takes 3 seconds. Ask your questions in the comments section, and don't forget to submit your homework timely. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.